Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we simplify architectural plans and help you visualize your dream home. Today, we're diving into a compact and efficient building plan that's perfect for modern living. Here's the plan we're looking at today. The total area is 1,236 square feet, and it's well suited for a family. Starting from the east side, we have a spacious veranda, perfect for a morning coffee or welcoming guests. The main gate leads directly into this area, giving a warm and inviting entrance. The plan features 4 bedrooms, strategically placed for privacy and comfort. Each room is spacious, measuring 10 feet by 12 feet, and can accommodate all your bedroom essentials. In the heart of the house, we have a combined drawing and dining room. This is 15 feet 8 inches by 16 feet 8 inches space, is perfect for hosting gatherings or family dinners, offering an open and versatile layout. Adjacent to the dining area is the kitchen, designed for efficiency. Next to it, we have a compact yet functional toilet to meet the family's needs. On the west side, there's a secondary gate for additional access, and the plan includes walkways around the house, ensuring smooth movement inside and outside. That wraps up our tour of this efficient and thoughtfully designed home. If you enjoyed this breakdown or have any questions about designing your space, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.